fatal 4-way match elimination to unify the NXT and the NXT UK Tag Team Champions.
All right, so I fell in love with the Creeds at this match, so...
And you were like the biggest critic.
I was. But I like them because I can kind of start seeing their development as individuals start to really kind of shine.
Right.
Like Julius, oh my God, that guy can fucking wrestle, man. He was so good.
Right. And I think Brutus is definitely going to be a snake in the grass as it relates to what he can do. But Julius is usually the guy who ends the matches. Because of the short arm clothesline.
Right.
And I know he's definitely older, but they're going to keep the Creeds together, so they're not going to do one without the other.
Well, they're teasing it for a while, so let's talk.
It's Pretty Deadly, Gallus, Jensen and Briggs, and then finally the Creeds. This was a pretty good match.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. It was really close to being only Orange Cassidy thumbs up, but that ending was very good. I really liked the ending. But let's talk about this. Since it was elimination, we had a bunch of different things, and I think they broke it up pseudo well.
Yeah.
Because the second elimination just kind of felt lazy, and that kind of hurt me for the match itself. But I thought the first part of this match was very good. I like that they continued with the Brawly-esque style that they did leading up to the match, and then it continuing. Pretty Deadly are such a great tag team.
They are.
They got something. They're a great chicken shit. Don't hit me. I'm pretty. Like I want to punch you in the face heat, but they're very athletic and they work so well together.
Right.
I mean, if you didn't tell me that they weren't brothers, I would be almost convinced that they were brothers.
Almost like we're brothers.
Right. Like, they had that kind of connection.
Right.
So it was a kick and a power slam for Gallus to eliminate Jensen and Briggs. So the UK Tag Team Champions are out of the match.
Which is fine because they were the weakest out of the four.
Even though that they were the Tag Team Champions.
Well, they were the weakest, though.
Oh, they were, absolutely. There was a lariat to eliminate Gallus, and then...
Again, the second weakest.
Right.
Then you have the two strongest teams.
Which were Pretty Deadly and the Creed brothers. And then we had the betrayal from, what's his name? Damon Kemp to the Creeds, and that led for Pretty Deadly to pick up the victory. What a great twist too with Kemp,
because we thought that maybe Julius wasn't going to turn, but no, it was Damon Kemp.
Yep, it was Damon Kemp who turned on Diamond Mine entirely, and I think that was good.
Or maybe Diamond Mine turned on them entirely. I mean,
I watched the NXT after, and really it was about that Kemp did not feel appreciated within Diamond Mine on everything that he did. And I think that's good for Kemp to kind of break out of that, because I think what they're going to do here is bring in another certain brother into NXT.
Ooh.
Yeah, because keep in mind that Gable Steveson is the younger brother of Damon Kemp.
You're right. Oh, my God.
Yeah. And then you have 4 collegiate wrestlers in a feud, because also keep in mind as well is that because I think Gable needs some more time to develop, and because Damon Kemp did so well on forming to the style, him going to NXT would actually be a really good idea.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's why I think that the betrayal happened, because they're ready to bring in
They're getting ready to bring in Gable.
Yep.
Oh, perfect.
Yep, absolutely. So that's why I give it a thumbs up, because I
didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about the whole connection there. Oh my God.
And then you not only have the brother, but you have all these collegiate wrestlers
right, and
working on
they're
this too.
They're gonna kill this.
Oh, absolutely. So I'm excited about that.
All right, let's move on.